it's me, Miss Ray again, and today I'm at the park. I'm here to have some fun, and I'm also here to meet with a friend. Let's have some fun together. Hey, let's have some fun. Let's go around the garden. Come on. I'm pretending to fly a plane. Let's fly a plane with my arms. Whee! Whee! Oh, that was so much fun. I was supposed to meet with a friend here, but she's not here. Okay, let's give her a call. Why not? Let's pretend to be a frog. Let's hop. Hop, hop, hop. Uh-oh, I hear a sound. What's the sound? Do you hear that? Friends, what is that? I see something. Oh, it's so big. It's a dinosaur. It's a Tyrannosaurus. Oh my God! A Tyrannosaurus has the strongest bite of any animal on Earth. Tyrannosaurus are very, very big and dangerous. Okay? So, we better let it go. Let's go play somewhere else, okay? Let's go have some fun. Let's go to the swing. Come on. Uh-oh! What do we have here? This is a cat. What sound does a cat make?
Meow, meow, meow.
Good job! The cat goes meow, meow. And what do cats drink? Cats drink milk. Good job. Hi, kitty cat. Uh-oh. It disappeared. Where did the cat go? I don't know. Let's see. I think there are lots of animals around. I hear something. Did you hear that? Oh, I see something with stripes. Oh, I'm scared. What is this? It's a tiger! Run! Tigers are the biggest cats on Earth. Did you know that? And they feed on meat. And animals that feed on meat are called what? Carnivores. Good job. Let's see what else we can find. Let's play around. I'd love to go on the slide. Come on. Uh-oh. Yes, my love. You want to climb?
No. Mommy is climbing that.
Oh, it's too small.
No.
I can't fit in. It's too small for me. Uh-oh. Mommy can fit in the slide. Oh, what a shame. We're still waiting for Susanna. But while we wait for Susanna, let's play around some more. Wee, wee. I'm having so much fun. Oh my God, I'm at the playground. Oh, I can't swing into this. It's for children. I'm still having so much fun. Oh, look. What is that? Oh, it's got big, big wings. It looks like an ostrich. Ostriches have long legs and long necks and very wide feathers. Wow, did you see that? They are the largest bird on Earth and they have the biggest eggs in the world. Oh, look, it's an ostrich egg. Go, hi ostrich, come and give me a hug. Oh no, the ostrich is gone. Why are all the animals disappearing? Where are the the animals.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I could have caught the ostrich just now.
Take.
Thank you. Thank you, little helper. Now, let's play around some more. Yay! Come on, let's play. Can we go on this? It's too small for me. Uh-oh, so sorry. Let's play around some more. Whee! Uh-oh, what's this? Uh-oh, it's such a big animal. What is that? It has a trunk. Do you see it? It looks like an elephant. Wow, it's so big.